Good morning, viewers. I am Saraswathi from CST department. I am working as a assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. Now, I am going to teach about Android fragment. Before going to see about Android fragment, what is Android? Android is a mobile operating system. It is based on the Linux and kernel. It is maintained by Google and it comes under the few different versions, Android 2 and Android 3. Android is a standard layout. Is to have a series of home screen which can contain the shortcut to launch application, or it can contain widgets. Widgets is nothing but a small program that serve as a single function by controlling your music or displaying a Facebook update. Android fragment. Android fragment is a part of an activity. It is also known as a sub-activity. There can be a more than one fragment in an activity. The fragment represent the multiple screen inside one activity. The Android fragment lifecycle is affected by activity lifecycle. The activity lifecycle because the fragments are included in activity. Each fragment has its own lifecycle method that is affected by a activity lifecycle. Both the activity and the fragments are embedded. The fragment manager class is responsible to make interaction between fragment objects. These are some of the methods in Android fragment. First one is a on attach of activity. It is called only once when it is attached within the activity. On create of bundle. It is used to initialize the fragment. Third one is a on create view layout in flat view group bundle. It creates and returns a view of the hierarchy on activity created of bundle. It is invoked after the completion of a on create method. Next method is a stop method, destroy view method, destroy on detach method. On stop method is called when the fragment is no longer visible. On destroy view, it allows the fragment to clean up resources. On destroy method, which allows the fragment to do final clean up of fragment state. On detach, it is called immediately prior to the fragment no longer being associated with its activity. Next one is on view state restored. It provides information to the fragment, that is all the saved state of fragment view hierarchy, that is it has been restored. On start method, resume method, pass method. Start method make the fragment visible. Resume method make the fragment interactive. Pass method is called when the fragment is no longer interactive. This is a Android fragment life cycle. In the Android fragment life cycle, which affect the life cycle of an activity, because both fragment and activity are embedded. The fragment added and fragment destroy. Deattach method, create method, and then create view method, and then on view creator, startup, and then remove. Next one is a fragment destroy. On detach method, destroy view, and then stop method, pass method. This is activity, fragment, and fragment view. The fragment view, it contains the view group. The fragments is in the activity content view group. The more than one fragments are in the activity. There are two different types of Android fragment. Single fragment, list fragment, fragment translation. Single fragment will display only one single view of the device screen. The type of fragment is mostly used for mobile phone. List fragment. The fragment is used to display a list view from which the user can select the desired sub-activity. The menu drawer of application like Gmail is the best example of this kind of fragment. The fragment transaction. It contains the transition from one fragment to another fragment at the runtime. The user can switch over between the multiple fragments by using a switching tab. That's all. Thank you.